Mechanical keyboards are often known for their higher price tags, as they offer premium features like aluminum frames, responsive switches, and even built-in OLED displays. However, if you're shopping on a budget of less than $50, it's important to set realistic expectations. In this video, we will be showcasing the top 5 best mechanical keyboards under $50 in 2023. For more detailed information on each of the products mentioned, you can find the links in the description box below. Number 1. Tecware Phantom Mechanical Keyboard. The Tecware Phantom Mechanical Keyboard offers impressive features for its $50 price tag. Notably, it comes with removable switches, allowing for easy switch replacements or cleaning. Additionally, it boasts per-key RGB lighting that can be customized using the Tecware software. Other notable features include a braided USB cable, floating keys with accentuated RGB lighting, and a space-saving 87-key design. While its ABS keycaps may not be as robust as double-shot PBT keycaps, the overall construction and quality align with its price range. The keyboard is built without emu brown switches, but quieter OutEmu red switches are also available. Number 2. Redragon K582 Surara Mechanical Keyboard. Redragon is well known for producing budget-friendly gaming gear, and the K582 Surara Mechanical Keyboard is no exception. It features red switches, ideal for gaming, with an estimated lifespan of 50 million keystrokes and N key rollover for accurate input registration. While the font used on its keycaps and logo may have a gamer aesthetic, the keyboard itself is well built for its price. It offers 12 media keys, per-key RGB lighting, and an ergonomic design suitable for long gaming sessions. The Redragon software allows for easy customization of macros and lighting. Number 3. Keychron C1 Mechanical Keyboard. The Keychron C1 TKL Mechanical Keyboard slightly exceeds the $50 budget at $55, but it offers exceptional value for both PC and Mac users. Its retro design stands out, devoid of flashy lights and gamer graphics. The keyboard features Keychron brown switches, known for their quiet and responsive operation with a lifespan of up to 50 million clicks. Additional features include extra keycaps for Windows and Mac, a wired USB-C connection, and a compact TKL layout. While it lacks backlighting, the C1 is a reliable and budget-friendly mechanical keyboard. Number 4. HyperX Alloy Core. For those open to non-mechanical keyboards, the HyperX Alloy Core is a standout membrane keyboard priced well below $50. It offers a spill-resistant design, dedicated media keys, ultra-quiet keys, customizable lighting zones, and anti-ghosting for accurate key presses. While it may not provide the tactile feedback of mechanical switches, the alloy core remains highly responsive and suitable for various tasks, including gaming. Number 5. Eagletech KG010-N. The Eagletech KG010-N is similar to the RE K61C, featuring a cheap build design with a plastic case and a prominent forehead. Unfortunately, the typing experience is not enjoyable, characterized by loud and rattly keys. The stabilizers also leave much to be desired. Lower-end budget keyboards often suffer from inconsistencies, so the actual quality may vary. While it's difficult to determine if these issues stem from production problems or intentional design choices, it's safe to assume they are not defects.